Hi everyone, JungAh here. For today, I'll be answering the question, how do you say take care of yourself in Korean? You can say this phrase in a number of ways. You can say it as 몸 조심하세요. In this phrase, the word 몸 means body. The word 조심하세요 means please be careful. You can use this phrase to tell someone to take care of his or her health. You can also say it as 건강 잘 챙기세요. Both 몸 조심하세요 and 건강 잘 챙기세요 are considered polite because you're using the 세요 ending. If you want a step-by-step way to learn Korean, we have a structured online course that will teach you how to have a 3-minute conversation in the first 90 days. Find out more and get a free lesson at 90daykorean.com. Bye!